At number 5, we have the CRAFTSMAN Wood Planer. Picture wrestling a warty, splintery board through a tool and not getting anywhere until now. This is the CRAFTSMAN Wood Planer CMEW300. Its powerful 6-amp motor boasts more power than a typical 4-amp saw. Crank it up to 16,500 RPM, and you're removing material faster than you can say weekend project. An 11.5-inch cast aluminum shoe reduces the chance of your cuts going off course, ensuring every edge looks pro-grade. With its over-molded 10-click-in stop depth knob, you easily dial in precise depth settings. Flip the dual-side dust port when the shavings start to fly, so you can close up shop with minimal mess. Everything you need ships in the box, so you're ready to plane right out of the gate. Stay tuned for our next review of the ultimate finish sander.
At number 4, we have the WEN 6534 8-amp electric hand planer. Imagine finishing those stubborn doors or rough lumber with the motor so powerful, you'll be shaving material faster than you can say, "Is it smooth yet?" Its generous 4.38-inch wide cutting surface saves time and relieves your arm. Accuracy is king here, with 16 stops to dial in depth down to 1/128 of an inch. That means your joinery fits like a glove. Plus, the built-in kickstand prevents gouges when you pause. Sawdust everywhere? Not on your watch. The two-way dust port works with a vacuum for a cleaner environment, and the rabbiting guide for clean straight rabbits, and you'll create perfect edges without ever picking up a piece of sandpaper.
At number 3, we have the Metabo MultiVolt Cordless Hand Planer. Imagine powering through your weekend DIY projects without ever hunting for an outlet. Meet the Metabo MultiVolt Cordless Hand Planer, your ticket to cordless freedom. With a no-load speed of 16,000 RPM and a 3/14-inch cutting width, this beast shaves wood like a hot knife through butter, while its slim 7.3-pound frame and soft grip handle keep wrist fatigue at bay even during marathon sessions. Thanks to fade-free lithium-ion power, you get up to 3 times the runtime of old NICD batteries, and a handy charge indicator light throttles back surprises. Safety isn't an afterthought either. The rear stand guards against accidental blade contact when you set it down, and precise depth adjustments let you control every pass to the nearest 5/64th of an inch. Plus, it plays nice with all Metabo HPT 18-volt slide-type batteries, so upgrading your toolkit won't require a battery bonanza. This isn't just a tool, it's your productivity sidekick, turning tedious planing into a breeze. Stick around, because next up, we're revealing the secret weapon that'll take your workshop game even further.
At number 2, we have the Dewalt Hand Planer. Imagine this. You're standing in front of a piece of rough lumber and you have just one pass to a glass-smooth finish. This puppy's driven by a ferocious 5.5-amp motor, giving you up to 34,000 cuts per minute with maximum smoothness. The 3/14-inch machined aluminum shoe is not just for show. It gives you finer finishes and quells vibration, so your hands remain rock steady. It's easy to dial in the perfect depth, too. The oversized knob clicks forward or backward in 0.1 millimeter increments, so it's almost impossible to accidentally gouge. And then when that project marathon hits, it's rock-solid balance and almost zero fatigue thanks to that finger rest handle design. In sum, if you're a pro who needs performance, accurate depth control, and long-term comfort, this electric planer will be right by your side. Ready for more shop-savvy secrets? Stay tuned for the next tool spotlight. It'll increase your craftsmanship accuracy to a laser-worthy level. At number 1, we have the Bosch PL2632K 6.5 amp hand plane. Picture a twisted, gnarly piece of wood. Not a problem with the PL2632K, which feels like it comes straight from the guts of a machine shop, packing a serious punch. The 1600 RPM 6.5 amp motor makes short work of rough stock. Thanks to the enormous base, the finish is glass smooth, perfect for your most demanding clients. The Woodrazor micrograin carbide blades are reversible and disposable, slashing downtime by half and staying sharp for up to 1,500 hours. Accuracy is key, with front and rear shoes machined together and separate inch and metric scales for instant, precise depth settings. Safety first. Ambidextrous lock-off and lock-on buttons help you avoid any rogue firings. Stuff it all into a heavy-duty carrying case, and you have a portable workshop in one box. That's why the PL2632K is the MVP of your wood shop. Stay tuned, because coming up we have the unboxing of a cordless beast that might actually outperform this one.